This is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to take any photo, turn into a cutout using Walsworth's Picsart integration. So first thing you're going to do is select the photo, right click on it, and go to Photo Details. You can also come over to the Photo tab on the right and click on Photo Details. Then you're going to select Edit Photo, Picsart. Once Picsart has launched, you're going to select Remove BG. This is going to select your subject and remove anything else in the background. This situation, it also removed part of the pool, which I'd like to restore, so I'm going to use my eraser tool to bring that back. And one thing I like to do is I'll click in this empty white space first, and then I actually invert my mask. That way now I can actually see what I'm restoring, and I'll bring this back. So I may zoom in a little bit if you want. Over here, zoom. There we go. Getting a little closer. There we go. Kind of like how that looks. One thing I also like to do is make sure my hardness is at 0. That way I don't get that very soft edge. And there we go. Once I'm happy with that, you're not going to hit apply. You're going to invert it back. So there we go. Then hit apply. And the next thing you have to make sure you do, this is the biggest thing I see people forget, is remove the background, the white background now. So you click on this layer and all you do is hit delete. You want to make sure you have a checkerboard background before you hit the next button. If you don't, it will export with whatever color background is back there. So now I'm going to hit next. Perfect. I'm going to close this out. Then to grab our new photo, you're going to go back to your photo tray. This is in my student life album, so I'm going to refresh the student life album by just clicking on the same name. So it hasn't loaded yet. Let's click again. It can sometimes take about 15 to maybe 30 seconds. So let's click a different album, come back in here, and there we go. It loaded right there. So again, just you can click on the album or just wait till it refreshes, or you click on a different one, come back, and then see if it loads. And so now there is my cutout.